All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the COVID hair situation. But in all reality, I'm editing this video as we speak, and I was going through it. This is one of those things that kind of happened during filming, so I didn't foresee this happening. But this video is going to be about changing out your chrome ring, I should say, on your Lancer, Evo, Ralliart, or Basic Lancer. So without further ado, what I was doing was got the car jacked up, and I was getting ready to remove that front chrome ring, and I'll let you guys watch the video and you'll see what happens. So yeah, stay tuned. I have the plastic dipped ring, which is also seeing its fair wear and share of elements and rock debris, chips. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that as well. And you kind of need to get the car jacked up to get the bumper off, because I'm gonna take the bumper off and remove the chrome pieces that way. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, now that the bumper is off, I can now get this chrome ring off a lot easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and flip this over. Before I do that, I'll put some protective stuff so I don't scratch it. But on the other side, you guys will see little Phillips head screws. They go all along the chrome trim, as you can see. And yeah, those are going to be the ones that you remove, and it'll come right out. Alright, y'all. I've got some sad news. So, when I took off the bumper, I'll show you guys what actually happened. Yes, the chrome ring is broken. So right here at the bottom of it actually snapped. Well, it didn't snap when I took it off. It must have snapped while driving or something, not too sure. So I looked around on eBay, Amazon stuff. I actually found one that's already black. It's painted black, and I already went ahead and ordered it. It should be here on Friday, and right now it is Sunday, so hopefully it'll get back in time. I mean, it's a good and bad thing. Now I won't have to repaint this every couple months, and yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, so maybe it's a blessing in disguise. I won't have to worry about having to repaint that every once in a while, and I can just have the black chrome or the black ring on there. But yeah, that kind of sucks. I wasn't trying to spend money right now, but yeah, that's broken. eBay for the win. I will say the packaging is done fairly well. Alright, any guesses? If you guys didn't read the title of the video like you obviously did. It's funny because it looks almost similar to this. Just an upgraded version, I think. So this was my OEM stock grill, obviously broken. So as you can see underneath this plastic dip, it was chrome. That snapped, and this is the replacement. So the replacement looks pretty good. Let me get into better lighting. I'll show you guys the differences if I do see any. So far I can tell you this one is way lighter than this one is. Alright, we were inside the house. Too much went going on outside. Anyways, this is the new front bumper ring, and here is the old one. So this is the stock, that is the eBay. So underneath the black plastic dip was the chrome. Alright, so that's the main reason I wanted to take it off in the first place. I was going to re-plastic dip everything. And as you can tell, it snapped right here at the bottom. So that's what made me go ahead and get the new one. I'll leave the link in the description below on where I got that. And before I do that, let's go ahead and review everything. See how they stack up. So for one, this one is a little heavier than the eBay one. Not much heavier, but it definitely is. Enough to know the difference. On the back, you guys can see it's chrome. I'll give you guys a better look in detail on what's on the back of these. Alright, so there's the stock. And here is the aftermarket one that I just bought off eBay. So this whole thing is black. And it's not like a 3D print or anything. It's a regular plastic piece. And I went ahead and looked at all the notches. Everything looks the exact same. So right here, right here is where you'll line up on the bumper, and you come over here, and they got the exact same thing. So pretty impressed. Everything looks like it's good. So I just want to go ahead and I just wanted to show you guys kind of the differences, which obviously there were none, besides that one being a matte black finish and this one being chrome. So now I won't have to worry about repainting this guy every couple months. And yeah, so not too bad. So let's go ahead and put it on the car and see how it actually fits up. Actually, one other thing I noticed. So on the stock version, there are two little lips right here. Well, there's two little pieces that connect. There's one here and there's one here. So you'll see like a little line on there. That's like the only difference, because this one's one solid piece on the bottom. And yeah, that's like the one difference I found in between. And actually I like this look better. It looks a little cleaner than having that little line. So yeah. So figured I'd let you guys know, this box actually came with its own set of new screws. So you can go ahead and use that if you want, or use your old ones. I'm gonna go ahead and use these since they're new, and why not? Alright, so when you guys are installing that little ring, there's these little tabs, these little flat tabs right here. You want to make sure these are all aligned prior to putting anything else in, because that's going to be your alignment tab that keeps everything in place. So there's one here, two up here, one here, and they're all around this thing. So you just want to make sure all these flat little plastic tabs are in place prior to.
This one as well?
Yes. So
even little ones?
Yes. If you guys can hear them kind of popping in place of where they need to be. So I think it looks pretty good so far. Alright, so speak of the devil, I actually had to undo some of the screws in the back to get back to this portion right here. So there's that tab, and it was actually not sitting where it was supposed to. So when you prop that up, you kind of push that in, and then goes that audible pop that I was talking about. Alright, there you have it. Out with the old, and in with the new. So here's how everything's fitting up. I don't see anything crazy. Looks pretty good to me. So I was contemplating painting it a gloss black, but everything else on the car is still that matte black. So I'm gonna hold off on that for another day maybe. But yeah, there's that. Alright, so again, like I said in the beginning of the video, I will lay down in the description below where you can go ahead and find the link for the new ring if you guys are interested in that. I think it's going to be pretty helpful, and that way you don't have to keep re-plastic dipping or painting your old chrome ring. And if you guys end up breaking it, now you guys have a link to where you can go ahead and pick one up for yourselves. So until next time, I want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life on idle, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks. Yeah.